Welcome to your Load Product Briefing. Today we've got a lineup that spans design workflows, AI security, and a blast from the internet's past. Our top story: Lokalise has launched a Figma plugin that lets designers preview their UI in any language instantly. Instead of waiting for developers to implement translations, you can toggle between languages right inside your design file and spot layout issues like text overflow before any code is written. This is a big deal for teams scaling multilingual products because it automates UI screenshots, character limits, and key naming, making QA much faster across web and mobile. Next up, FuguUX has released an AI-driven UX audit tool that automatically flags usability problems on any website. It draws on scientific research to suggest fixes, so you don't need to run manual user studies for basic checks. They're offering 10 free credits on sign-up, which makes it easy for designers and product managers to get a quick usability report without a big investment. Also today, a guide from OneUp.ai outlines 8 practical steps for SaaS leaders to secure sensitive data when using AI. It covers everything from classifying data to disabling model training and sanitizing inputs. This matters because as more products integrate large language models, companies need clear steps to meet compliance and keep enterprise customers confident in AI features. Meanwhile, analyst Benedict Evans, in an interview with Lenny's newsletter, compares AI's current stage to the internet in 1997. He warns against common misconceptions about job loss and explains where real value will accrue across the AI stack. For product leaders, this offers strategic perspective on how to think about AI integration without getting caught up in hype. In engineering news, Slack's team details their 3-year shift from a self-managed SageMaker setup to Amazon Bedrock, adopting a multi-cloud architecture to cut latency and handle GPU scarcity. The post covers scaling challenges and provisioning strategies. This is relevant for any team running AI features at scale, since it shows how managed services can improve resilience and speed up model updates. And finally, a new macOS utility called Screenshotter compresses screenshots locally before copying them to the clipboard, reducing file sizes by up to 93%. This saves bandwidth and speeds up uploads to AI coding agents like Claude or Codex, which charge by image token usage. For developers who frequently share screenshots with AI tools, this can lower costs and make workflows snappier. That's all for today's briefing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow with more product updates.